Row, row, row. First I tell the parents, under 5 months, please hold them like this. Watch that head. If they're 5 months and older, they can sit up, have them face you. Hold their arms gently. Here we go. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Let's go sideways. Rock, rock, rock your boat gently to and fro. Watch out, give a shout, in the water they go. Splash. Very good to do in the bathtub. This is how I adapted for toddlers. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Ah! They love that, and so do I. Gets the stress out. And I also have a crocodile. If you have a crocodile, show that up down.